Good morning, everybody. So today is day 3. It's Wednesday. Back on the Mustang tube front end build. So here it is right here. Getting there. Took the front clip back off after I got everything tacked together the way I wanted it. So far so good. Everything fits up really nice, pretty square and stuff. So I'm just finishing up the welds for this main frame, and then I'm going to start adding on couple more supports I want, and then the bash bar, and then start on the radiator supports. So that's the next step for this thing, and then I can get this beast done. He has a couple more things he wants me to do to the car, like welding a battery box and a couple of just little stuff like that, and then we should be good for the day. So here it is. Next big thing will be bending out a bash bar, and then supporting it up, and then finish the welds on the current bars, which is all pretty much done. I guess 2 more bars and I'll be good. So anyways, that's it for right now. Probably only do one more video towards the end of the day. Whenever it's completely done, I'll do a walk around with it all fit up and stuff. So that's it. So what's up, everyone? So this is the end of the Mustang tube front end project. I got it completely done. Here it is, the finished product. So all the body parts are back on. All the body lines are within spec. He can, they're really good for where I got them set, but he'll probably play with them because he's gonna have to roll the fenders some more and, just prep these for the wide angle setup he has on his car. But got the new hood pins in. All that stuff's lined up well. And then, let me set up this hood prop. There we go. Alright, so this is the tube front end. You can see the core support, how it's all mounted. Tucked in there, of course you can't really see that well, but if you can kind of see down, down in there, there's the crash bar. Anyways, real simple bash bar, nothing too crazy. Just wanted it good enough so it cleared all the lights and the bumper and everything like that. I built my brackets. I just drilled a hole right through the pipe or through the tube for the bumper support, so you can just put a couple bolts there. And then this, I was like, well, I might as well just utilize the existing brackets for the radiator. So I just welded some nuts on this side, and so they're in there firm, and just did like that. So it's just 2 bolts. This thing comes out real easy, and then it sits on its own bracket / shelf deal, so it can't slide. Can't go anywhere, and it's pretty braced up, so it's firm in there. So that's pretty much it for this car. I'm done with it. I'm almost done. All I have to do is weld in the new battery box and the trunk, and I figured I didn't really have to show you guys that, so I'm not too worried about it. But this was a how to do a tube front end. Took me 3 days. I don't really come out here in the morning, so it's really, 3 half days really. I'm going to finish the weld the battery box in, and then I'm going to load it on the trailer. I went and picked it up at lunch and ship it out to his house tonight after traffic dies down. So that's it for now. I'm gonna start probably working on the black car tomorrow, but I doubt I do any videos on that because it's just a thermostat change and just a couple of maintenance things I want to do to that car before I take it back to St. Louis. And then probably within the whole next week is dedicated to just packing all my stuff and getting prepped for the big move. So I won't be doing any videos probably between now and probably late June, actually, unless I do something small. I highly doubt it. We have the drift event coming up at MI Drift. It's their Auto City track. That's on July 7th and the 8th. If you guys want to come check that out, if you're in the area, I will be out there with my FD car doing some good driving, try to give as many ride-alongs as I can. So if you are in the area, you bring a helmet and try to catch a ride with me. So hope you guys enjoying this, and these little how-tos for basic garage life. So I mean, this is how I do it. This is how I do all my projects, and I'm just showing you guys how you don't need a full race crew to build a race car. So that's it for now. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next video.